Hello everyone. Today is snowstorm day and I'm about to go to work. And I'm going to walk. I cannot use my vehicle because it's too low and the snow is very high. Garbage day today. Hindi ko alam kung may magpipick up ng garbage namin. Ayan. Sobrang windy. Nilipad yung hood ko. Yung walking distance ng work namin is like 5 minutes. Pagka drive naman 1 minute lang. 1 minute drive, 5 minutes walk. Okay. So yan. Ito na, malaya tayo sa work. Kikita niyo yung mga nakapark na car doon. Yan ang aming parking lot. Employees parking lot. My shift today is 12 to 9. Yan ang aming workplace. Grabe yung snow, kapal. Ang workplace. Tuloy pa rin ang pasok kahit may snowstorm. Yung mga bata, no school today. So, ayun lang. Thank you so much for watching. Bye! Uwian na! I came in 12 and I'm going home now 1:30, so I only work like 1.5 hours. Kasi nga grabe yung snow ngayon, so I'm going back. As usual, I'm gonna walk because I can't use my car because it's too low. Baka ma-stuck ako sa snow. Kaya, okay lang. Enjoy the snow storm weather. Okay. Tingnan nyo, oh. Ang lalim ng snow. Hi. Actually, all over part ng Canada is hindi maganda ang weather, ang winter, lalo na sa Alberta. Grabe, extreme ang lamig doon. Like, umaabot sila ng -50 kasama na yung windshield saka snow. Dito naman hindi naman pa kami umaabot ng -20, pero ano naman, ito snow ng ilang araw, like 3 days yata. Yun, hirap maglakad kasi ang bigat ng snow. Hingal, kahingal. Mahirap mag-drive kasi yung visibility is mahirap, so nagkukos siya ng accident. Wala nga rin pasok yung mga bata today. Most ng establishment, business establishment, are nag-close na today. Woo! Okay. Okay. We're home. That's our good fellow there, doggy. He's going to help us dig the snow. Ooh. Ooh, see. I'm gonna find the key bag. May nangyari sa house. Nakabukas yung nabuksan yung door. So, pumasok yung snow. Oh my. Good. Sparky didn't go out.